So for that property management side, do you give that service, or do you, how can I say, suggest to give us this service via other third-party companies? How do you manage your customers about for the
Yeah.
long term? Let's say I need to get the answer about for long term and short term one in a separate way.
Yeah, sure. So we do both. Yes, we do full property management services for both long-term rentals and short-term rentals. So regarding the long-term rentals, we definitely, market your property in the market, price it well, screen the potential tenants, give you the offers, accept the offers, uh, uh, you know, uh, collect the checks on your behalf, deposit the checks in your bank account on your behalf, follow up with any maintenance issues in your apartment with the tenant, make sure that all is fine, and definitely renew the contract if the tenants would like to renew, and if not, definitely get a new tenant for you and make sure that the vacancy period is minimal. Now that's from the long-term aspect. For the short term, we also do full property management services. We as a company have more than 200 units at the moment under our management on a daily basis. Basically, we help you furnish those units from A to Z. We help you, make them very attractive. Uh, we price them, we market them, we manage them, we clean them, we screen the tenants, we, collect the fees, we transfer to your bank account on a monthly basis. You also have a portal which, as an owner, you can go into anytime, see exactly who's living in the apartment, their documents, what's the contract, how much they're paying, and so on. There's a lot of advantages for putting your unit in Dubai in the short term. Definitely, as you know, Dubai is a touristic city. More than 16 million people came in 2022. So there's a lot of demand for such units, and the returns are high. And of course, you have the flexibility if you're an owner and you would like to visit Dubai for 3, 4 days, 1 week, 2 weeks with your family. You could let us know, I'm coming in that date and this date. Make sure that the unit is free, so you can take advantage of that. If you plan to sell it also, it would be much easier to do viewings and sell it to an end user. So basically, in summary, we do both. And as an investor living in Turkey or in any other country, you don't have to worry about anything. You have full visibility about what's going on. At the same time, you don't have to worry about running the day-to-day management of your property.
So what is the service fees for the long term and for the short term stuff?
So basically, the service fees, you mean our company fees?
Yeah,
Our
for
company fees. So, yeah,
from you get
yeah.
from
So,
the investor side.
sure. So for the long term, if we're managing the property, including the maintenance, we charge 5,000 dirhams per year, which is approximately 1,300 or $400. That's including maintenance issues, so we'll cover that. If uh, you know if the investor doesn't want us to cover the maintenance, we don't charge owners. We only charge tenants when they rent the property. So that would be free of charge. Regarding the short-term rentals, we charge 20% on the booking, right? So whether the booking is for 1 week, 1 month, 2 months, whatever it is, we charge 20% of that fee.
So when it's a long-term rental, it's going to be like 6%, 7% return. And it could, in average, we are talking about. But if it's a short-term rental, it could be like 8 to 9% of return per year. But the fees has changed according to that, how can I say, increase on money return. I get it, because you need to
Yes,
manage the property much more, how
sure.
can I say, efficient.
Yeah, but just to note here, so when we talk 8 to 9%, that would be gross return after we deduct our fees, right? So
Get
the
it.
fees of running the operations and the cleaning and the processes and the viewings and so on is deducted after we deduct our fee, which is 20%. You will get as a gross fee 8 to 9%.
Wonderful, wonderful. So we are just going to look at our bank accounts, count count the
Yeah,
money.
that's the only thing you need to do.